Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to swap the middle and right mouse buttons on 3Dconnexion CadMouse Compact Wireless. To do it, go to Settings within 3Dconnexion Home app, then go to Buttons. And now, as you probably know, the middle mouse button functions the same as typically the clicking on wheel functions, right? Now, if you want to swap them, because now this rightmost button works as the right button, as the secondary button, if you want, you can swap them. So now this one works as the middle button, and this one works as a typical right mouse button. And I think it's great for people that are typically used to standard mice like this one with just two buttons, the left one and the right one. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.